Welcome to Study My Buddy YouTube channel. Today I am explaining one of physics' most interesting topic, charge, and then I will discuss its properties. Given are the properties of charge that we are going to discuss in this video.
Given is the definition of electric charge. Electric charge is the property of particles which causes it to experience a force when placed in an electric or magnetic field. Electric charges are of two types, positive and negative. Protons are positively charged, while electrons are negatively charged. Neutrons have zero charge. A charge-on body is due to transfer of electrons only. A body is said to have positive charge if it loses electrons, and is said to have negative charge if it gains electron. Remember, if someone says that a body is negatively or positively charged, the person means that the algebraic sum of all charges taking their signs into consideration is negative or positive respectively.
Differentiation of charge with respect to time or rate of flow of charge with respect to time is called electric current. SI unit of charge is ampere times second, or coulomb. CGS unit is coulomb or ESU. Dimensional formula of charge is Q equals a T.
We will start now with the properties of charge. The first property says that charge is transferable. Charge can be transferred through contact from a charged body to uncharged body, or between two charged bodies with different charges by the given formula. If Q1 is the charge on first body and Q2 is the charge on second body, then Q is the charge on both bodies when they come in contact.
The second property of charge says that charge is associated with mass. Charge cannot exist without mass, but mass can exist without charge. The mass transferred when there is transfer of electron is number of electrons transferred times the mass of one electron. The given data describes the mass and charge of an electron, a proton, and a neutron, and the data is necessary to remember.
The third property says that charge is conserved. This means that charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. Thus net charge remains constant even though it may not be zero, and thus net charge of universe is constant. This law is applicable in all types of relative motions.
The next property is property of invariance of charge. The numerical value of an elementary charge is not dependent of its velocity. It is proved by the fact that atom is neutral. From previous slide we know that the charge on electron and proton is same. So it is not the charge, it is the difference in mass of electron and proton that suggests that an electron moves faster in an atom than a proton. If the charges were dependent on velocity, neutrality of the atom would be violated.
An electron produces only electric field when at rest. It produces electric and magnetic fields when in uniform velocity. And when it is in uniform acceleration, it produces electric and magnetic fields, and radiates energy into surroundings.
It was found through Millikan's oil drop experiment that the smallest charge that can exist is charge of an electron. As we know that charge on any body is due to flow of electrons, we can easily conclude that charge is quantized as it exists only in discrete values. Thus charge on any body is integral multiple of charge of an electron. Although this property is true, we ignore it at macroscopic levels.
The last property says that charge is additive. Adding all the charges algebraically while considering their signs gives the total charge on the body. Charges are added like real numbers. The signs on them do not represent directions. Charges are directionless and thus charge is a scalar quantity.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.